Hello, welcome. Today we have the DDR5 Kingston Fury Beast 64 GB. It's two pieces, each 32 GB. So as you can see, one is banana, another is straight. So it's after transportation damage, and let's take a closer look what we have. Okay, in the first view is pretty much clear. You can see some parts are trying to escape. Then looking on another parts, I don't know what part it is, but it's still on here. Somebody tried to bite the resistor. Let's go further. As everything else, no. Here we have damage capacitor, and corner also is trying to escape. Okay, it seems no more damage is done to this board. I don't know how the transportation damage can occur. Here you can see the 511 SPD chip and MIC chip. Closer look under microscope. Another chip. So on one side, both chips are damaged. Making some measurements for myself, trying to understand if chips are shortened or not, and it seems everything's fine. But it's not working, and not working maybe because of physical damage. So let's remove these two chips and to see what's going on. Removing one chip and cleaning the pads. Some pads on the all four corners are not used for signals. So now one is clean. Let's do the same with the other one. The heat is about 350 degrees, and very carefully, because not to desolder the chips from the bottom. Another one is clean. You saw this damage capacitor, so I will take it from the banana board and put it on straight board. Okay, job is done. Let's measure something. This is 2.2 kilo ohms resistor, and it was bitten maybe by dog, but it seems it keeps his resistance. So only I will renew the contacts. We don't need very beauty at the moment. We need good contact. The beauty we will make later. It's better than factory. Okay, so another measurements, then connecting to my built SPD programmer. First of all, checking voltages. We have one both we have, then trying to find 1.8. Without Google's it's hard to find, but I can measure it on capacitor. 1.8 is present. So going to SPD RV, saving the dump for the future, and here comes the heavy ammunition. And it is motherboard with the DDR5 test card, postcard. As you can see, it's the same Lexar from last video. Okay. SSD disconnected. Fingers crossed. Power on. And let's see what we have. Postcard. Okay, it shows. It shows a small dance. I made a small dance behind the scenes. So it shows that these chips which we removed are missing and one extra chip is damaged. Maybe it's not damaged, maybe it's only connection problems. In this reballing process I'm using with hands without stencil, maybe later. So according to the postcard I reversed the picture to match the missing chips, and we can see that 2 chips on the right side are bad and 1 on the left side. Which one is missing? So let's put these 2 chips. I removed 1 and I will put 2 chips on one side just to see if it solves the problem. The chips are after reballing, cleaning, then putting again new flux. I'm using Ersa for this. I want to get a good contact. In this case, when you are repairing graphic cards, it's you can see white lines around the VRAM chips. In this case, you have to feel where to put it. So, applying some heat. Modules are welded. Let's try some voltages. If nothing shorting, let's test it. And we expect error only on one chip. Now you don't see fingers crossed because they are crossed on my legs. Okay. Oh, so we have only one missing chip. Let's do it quickly. Trying to position correctly. Applying 350 degrees. And little by little you can see when the chip is moving and it sits in his place. So heat gun job is done. Looking under microscope you can see that I was using 0.4 balls, so next time I will use 0.5 balls. In this case I'm not sure if ball size matters, but maybe it's better for the radiator when it's in the same line. In this case I already connected a monitor to see. I expect to get a picture. Postcodes are running and stuck. No. Go. B2, yes. Yes, we have the picture. It's good news. Now only need to test one cycle of the testing. The test took, I think, nearly 1 hour, so now you will see quickie, and I want to see at least one pass. It passed, incomplete, but it passed. Total errors 0, so we have a fix. This is the situation when with dead RAM stick comes to life, and if you like this, please subscribe. If you have broken DDR5 RAM sticks, you know where to send them. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.